You guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to put wiper blades on this BMW. It should be all similar. So as you can see, it's a weird looking clip here. So we got a new wiper blade. I did manage to get the other side on. I'm gonna show you the procedure here nicely, easily, and perfectly. Okay, so very easily and simply what we want to do here is, first of all, you don't want this thing to drop on the windshield. You will crack the windshield if your metal is exposed and it slams down. So be careful that doesn't slam down. So just grab this wiper blade and just yank it off just like that. It's probably gonna break, that's fine. But all this stuff, if you need to remove this, is fine, perfectly fine. So here's our new wiper blades. So you're gonna have a weird looking clip with this guy. So I don't make sure you don't slam this. If you're doing something, just put it down for now. And see, I would hit this guy and it will fall down. So be careful with it. You don't want to crack your windshield. So we're gonna prep this guy. So it's very simple. You're gonna have clips like this. Okay, this is a BMW. They're all similar. So this has a weird looking thing right here. So you're gonna see these two little tabs. You're gonna just squeeze these and this guy is gonna come out this way. It has a little two notches here that sticks in there to put it back in if you need to put it back in. So let's put this to the side. Okay, you see C here, there's a C here, there's a B here. The C is a small little clip on this. So we're gonna push back on this and the C should, you're gonna push back on this tab here and this C should lift out of there just like that. Very simple and easy. You want to take your new wiper blade, see the little notches here, you want to stick these back and this side it should click in just like that. Both of these, make sure it doesn't come out. Try to pull it off, it should not come off. Now what you want to do is you want to lift this up. So pay very close attention how I am going to get this side in first. So I'm going to slip it this way and then I'm going to pull on this notch right here to stick this in. So it should be very simple. And I just want the camera to see everything. So once it's grabbed in there, see the little notch right here, and it's the same thing on the opposite side. After that, you just want to squeeze a little bit tough. This little notch is gonna come up above. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure you guys clean the surface here so the wiper blade can meet flush and it's not sitting on dirt and debris. Okay, you want to double check nothing is gonna come off. These little white clips here, they come off, just slip them right off. I still gotta do the opposite side, but we're all done, very simple and easy. Let me just take these two little, okay, it's missing one, and there you go, bada bing, bada boom, we're all done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, this is the brand I use here, so similar stuff. Some of them are a little bit different. You might not have this clip on it, but something, it's gonna have to read the little booklet. You can read also here. It comes with a little manual. Anyways, thank you for watching.